There's an old saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Have you been thinking about starting a cleaning business? Well, then the summer is the perfect time to start. Not because you're perfect to schedule. In fact, it's probably not. You've got trips coming up. Maybe the kids are home. You got some family stuff going on. Maybe a weird work rhythm. And all of that may feel like it's a signal to put this off until fall. But I am telling you right now, that would be a massive mistake. In this video, I'm going to prove to you why summer is the perfect time to get the ball rolling with your new cleaning business, because it's going to set you up for a very strong Q4 and ultimately a massive start to the new year. But none of that is going to be possible if you put this off until later in the year. If you're new here, my name is Mike Mack, and I have been building cleaning businesses for well over 10 years now, and I am currently working on my third in a brand new state. I started up from scratch and I'm over the six-figure mark just a few months in. And for the last 6 years, I've been helping people like you build your own high-ticket cleaning business that you never need a vacation from. So here is something that I've noticed every single business I've ever started. One of the first thoughts you have when something is starting to work is, man, I wish I had done this sooner, like a year ago, 5 years ago, maybe even 10 years ago. And yet every single time I was waiting to start, it didn't feel like procrastination. It felt like I was just being smart about timing. But that's the trap, because there's always a reason to wait. Summer is busy, then you have the holidays, then before you know it, it's January, but you want to get settled into the new year before you start. Then the spring comes and everything else is happening with that, and before you know it, it's summer again. See, the perfect season never comes. It keeps moving. When I told my dad I was starting my third cleaning company with 2 toddlers at home, multiple businesses already running, and my calendar being completely packed, he looked at me and he was like, man, why don't you just wait a few years? I mean, why do it now? And I told him something that I actually believe. If I can't make this work in this season of life, then there's no point of waiting. You can't let external events determine what you build. If you want to build it, you build it. That's it. And the truth is that the calendar, my calendar, is never empty. Yours either, unless you're unemployed. But that's just the truth. And the people who wait for the empty calendar are the ones that never start. So let me tell you why summer specifically is your best shot at success. And it's not just an ordinary time. See, there are a few reasons that I'm going to get into, but the first one right now is your competition is quiet. A lot of people in this space take the same mental break you are tempted to take. They pull back a little bit. They think, well, the fall is probably a better time to push, so they wait. And what happens when everyone just pulls back? Well, then the noise drops. See, my entire edge for getting great clients is I market completely differently than everyone else. Direct mail, targeted, speaking to their pains. See, while most other companies are just cold calling and walking in and making the same promises as everyone else, I'm showing up in a completely different way. See, imagine what happens when the cold callers and the door knockers, well, they go quiet for the summer. So what I do gets even louder. And that's the magic in moving now. When there's less noise, the right message is going to cut through faster. See, clients who've been, let's say, putting off this decision of bringing in a new cleaning company, well, now they're starting to pick up the phone. Now they're starting to talk to providers. And that's because they're a little less bombarded and a little bit more open. See, right now, my third cleaning company is actually picking up good momentum, not slowing down. It's heating up, pun intended. And that's because I've been marketing consistently for the last few months to them. And now the noise around me is dropping. Summer is not dead time. Summer is setup time. And here is the most practical reason this matters beyond just mindset. The people who have a strong Q4 are never the ones who start preparing in Q4. If you start in September, you're learning the model, building your positioning, finding your cleaners, getting your first walkthrough, and trying to close your first client all at once. See, if you start now, even slowly, by the time fall hits, you have real momentum. You have positioning. You have a cleaner bench. You have outreach running. and you likely have a couple of contracts under your belt. You are not starting cold when everyone else suddenly decides it's go time. No, you're already winning. Here's another reason, guaranteed to excite you. What if there was a type of an account that you could retire off of? I'm talking about the type of client where you only need a few, just a few, 3 yeses, and you can make your career optional. But the only catch is that they will only talk to you during the summer. Would you start talking to them now? Well then, let me tell you about small private schools, because this is where summer timing becomes a real competitive advantage. My uncle is one of my first business mentors. Nobody knows him. He's never made it to any newspaper. He's just quietly built a 7-figure service-based business on one particular type of client, Catholic schools. Yes, he grew this company one Catholic school at a time. And once he got the first one, the next 5 came through referral alone because his team was doing such a great job. See, schools are incredible accounts, and that's because they're consistent, of course, recurring revenue, straightforward cleaning. But when you get one and you do a great job by them, just like my uncle's experience, I had the same experience, one school quickly can become 2 to 3 schools or even 3 or more schools. I seen it happen not that long ago. One of my students named Jason. Now see, he was working full-time at his job at Microsoft when he started his cleaning business. Now he actually started during the summer, and within 60 days, he landed 3 schools. Those schools alone were paying him $24,000 per month. That's right, 3 yeses. That is career replacing income without cleaning a single thing. And to be super clear here, I'm not saying you're gonna land that many schools in 60 days, but the possibility is there for sure. But here's why starting now in the summer is so important if you want a few school accounts. Schools are locking in their contracts for the fall right now, not in September. Now, if you're not in front of them this summer, then you're not in the conversation. But the window right now is open for this type of client and many others just like it. But most people do not even know it's open. That's the advantage. The summer is not about blowing up your life. It's not about canceling your vacation or working through the weekend. It's about becoming the person who moves while life is still moving. You do not need a perfect season. You just need to stop being the person who keeps pushing it off to the next one. Average people wait until the season feels obvious. Serious people get ready before the season rewards them. This is the summer that you start. And if you want that to be a reality, but maybe you're truly slammed for the summer more than usual, and you want my team to build everything for you, set up everything from A to Z, even start the process of attracting clients on your behalf. That way, when you get back and you come back from your vacation, your business is already in motion. Then I want you to click the first link in the description to book a call, talk with my team, see how we can be a great fit to help you build your very own high-ticket cleaning business. Not eventually, now. If you'd like to keep learning, instead, you want a little bit more information on how we help you, watch this video right here. I'll see you over there.